Hey, thought it'd be easier to do a video than try and explain everything. So, yeah, there's still the original electrical cabinet. And this is the space I created for my water cabinet. And I'm stoked because there's still enough room for a garbage can, cleaning supplies, and all that. So I am going to build a door or doors over that. And I've used one of the original retaining seat belts to hold the jugs in, which is fun, and also reused a bracket that came off of Lord knows what. Yeah, normal Seaflo pump. A little bit of a clusterfuck in adapting from the sink drain to the quick release plug into the gray tank, but that works. And then I've left enough slack in the lines because there is enough room here for a second tank, one of these blue ones. And the sink. And the space under the counter is going to build a couple drawers for that. And I'll make the drawer fit around the sink and that, so there's still enough room for, I don't know, forks and knives and shit. There you are.